Hello, hi, welcome to my space, Mind, Body, Souls. My name is Diptii, and I'm the founder of Mind, Body, Souls and your host. So, in today's video, I'm going to take you on a tour of what I do early mornings. So, my morning routines are pretty fixed, and I don't like to skip them. Normally, I wake up at around 4:30 or 5, and my morning routine consists of meditation, a lot of scripting, journaling, healing work, and working on my goals. So most of these are, predominantly writing work. I do a lot of scripting. Along with all of this, I also do something which is called as the gratitude walk, wherein I spend around, let's say, 10 to 15 minutes out on my terrace when the sun's rising, and I just give out gratitude to the universe for all the good things that life has to offer. I truly, truly, truly love my morning routine, and I highly recommend having a morning routine to each and every one of you. After all, just think about this. You take care of your physical attributes every day. You take bath, you brush your teeth, you wear fresh clean clothes, you put perfume. What about your mental health? Wouldn't it be really nice if you start every day with a lot of positivity, with a lot of healing, with a lot of orientation of how your day should go? So I really highly recommend this morning routine. If you don't have 1.5 hours, at least spend 15-20 minutes on yourself, because you truly are worth it. Here I am attaching a small video, a small clip, which was recorded during my gratitude walk. I spend a good deal of amount, like let's say 15 minutes or so here. I just take walks and reinforce into my head what are the good things in my life. I just send out a prayer of gratitude. And this is one thing which you guys can do as well. This sounds very simple, very duh for people who are listening to this for the first time. But do not underestimate how effective this can be. Try it out.
तेरे संग संग रह के मैं रंग जाऊं तेरे रंग, तेरी नींद से ख्वाब मैं अपना